Hello everyone, welcome to Shama's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade pizza sauce. I will heat up a pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2 medium sized onions roughly chopped. Here we have to sweat the onion properly. Once they turn pink in color, add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Over here I have used 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. You can add more or less if you want. Instead of chili flakes, 4 to 5 dried chilies can be used. Mix it well and add tomatoes to it. Here I have used half kgs of tomatoes, which are 5 to 6 medium sized tomatoes. Add half cup of water to it. Salt to taste. And mix it well. Now cover the pan and let it simmer on medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. We can see our tomatoes have turned a bit soft. Now add half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon fenugreek leaves. Mix them well. Add some more water if you want. Let it cook properly for a couple of minutes and turn off the flame. Cool this mixture completely and add it to a mixer jar. Now grind the mixture to achieve desired consistency. Our pizza sauce is ready. We can use this sauce to prepare pasta as well as pizzas, and we can store this in refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. Apply our homemade pizza sauce to a pizza base in generous quantity. This pizza base is completely homemade, and I will show how to make pizza from scratch in next video. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.